Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is on the verge of a major breakthrough with its XQ-58 Valkyrie unmanned combat aerial vehicle potentially becoming an official asset of the United States Marine Corps, USMC. This move would mark the first official procurement of the autonomous drone beyond experimental phases, signaling a shift toward integrating collaborative combat aircraft into frontline service. Though no formal contract has yet been publicly announced, credible sources within the Department of Defense suggest the decision is effectively set. Kratos CEO Eric DeMarco has revealed that key defense officials, including those at the Office of the Secretary of Defense, view the Valkyrie as a pioneering platform for Marine Corps operations. The USMC has already tested the XQ-58 extensively, notably flying it alongside Lockheed Martin's F-35B stealth jets. In these joint flights, the Valkyrie has demonstrated capabilities in electronic warfare and suppression of enemy air defenses, reinforcing its role as a force multiplier. Developed in partnership with the Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, the XQ-58 is a high-speed, long-range drone designed for versatility and low-cost attrition. Unlike traditional UAVs, it does not require runways for deployment, allowing it to operate in remote or austere conditions. The aircraft's design emphasizes affordability and flexibility, enabling it to undertake missions ranging from electronic attack to reconnaissance and communications relay, all while being cost-effective enough to sustain losses in combat scenarios. Remarkably, the Valkyrie went from contract award to maiden flight within 2.5 years, thanks to innovative manufacturing techniques and streamlined acquisition processes that cut both costs and lead times. Its July 2023 flight showcased advanced AI capabilities developed by AFRL, highlighting its potential as a testbed for cutting-edge military technologies. While the U.S. Air Force initially excluded the XQ-58 from its first collaborative combat aircraft program selection, Kratos remains active in pursuing opportunities in future phases. Internationally, the company is expanding its reach through a collaboration with Airbus, targeting a version of the Valkyrie for the German Luftwaffe by 2029. Negotiations are reportedly advanced with 2 other undisclosed potential buyers, with Kratos positioning itself as the sole provider. Preparing for anticipated demand, Kratos has already commenced production of 24 units and is acquiring components for an additional 24 drones, aiming for a total output of up to 48 aircraft. Multiple variants are planned, including the original runway-independent model, a conventional takeoff and landing, CT-well version, a hybrid configuration, and a customized European design tailored to specific operational needs. At a recent investor briefing, DeMarco mentioned an estimated unit price near $10 million, although this figure remains unofficial. For context, competitors like General Atomics have indicated plans to offer UAVs priced below $20 million. Kratos now stands at a strategic crossroads. Securing the USMC contract would solidify its foothold in America's defense ecosystem, while international deals and diverse drone variants position the company for growth in the expanding collaborative combat drone sector. The Valkyrie program exemplifies the future of aerial warfare, combining affordability, advanced technology, and operational flexibility to reshape modern combat.